Lamine Yamal made a wild bet with famous streamer Ibai, and you need to see this. Yamal joined Ibai on a podcast. If you don't know him, Ibai is the biggest streamer ever, and a huge Real Madrid fan. They made a bet before their Kings League teams faced off. If Yamal won, Ibai would have to watch Alaiko at the Bernabeu in a Barca shirt. If Ibai won, Yamal would have to do a goal celebration of Ibai's choice. During the match, it was 2-2 when Yamal stepped up for a penalty, and he scored. Then, in the final moments, Ibai's team scored and celebrated with the sleep pose. But wait, the goal was disallowed. The bet? Still on. And the drama? Absolutely unreal.